back to the channel of Kanak Infosystems LLP, your ultimate source for all the ERP solutions. Today in this video, we are going to talk about audience in Google Analytics. Google Analytics offer a powerful tool called audience, which allow you to segment your website visitor based on various criteria. In Google Analytics 4, you can create your audience based on wide range of criteria such as demographic, behavior, interest, and even action taken on your website such as purchase or fill the contact us form. So let's start. Currently I am in the dashboard of the Google Analytics 4. In the left corner you need to click on the admin, and after scrolling a little bit you can see the option audience here. Click on it. After going in the audience section, you need to click on new audience. If you scroll down a little bit, you can see the predefined template here, which you can use from if they goes with your goal, or if you need to create new one, just click on the create a custom audience. Here you can see the two options, which is include users and exclude users. On the left side, you can see the time frame of the data you need to get from your website. The Here you can define the days or just set it to the maximum limit. After scrolling a little bit, you can see the summary here in the demographic format, which is include and exclude users. So just create one to understand better. First, I'm going to click on the include users and just go to the events and select contact us. The time frame I'm using is 30 days, and you can see the number here. And if I click on the exclude and just click on the form start, then you can see the number here. After saving it, after saving your new audience segment, the data will show here. It will take some time as you created the new segment at the moment, so it will take some time that the data will collect and the stats will show here. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and stay updated about the Google Analytics.